Dear kind mother, welcome. Get yourself to a calm place and get yourself to any position that you are comfortable with. This is your time, your sacred moment to breathe, to be, to soften. When you're ready, gently close your eyes. Allow the outside world to fade just for a few moments. Let the lists and the noise and the never-ending what's next gently slip to the side. You are here now, and that is more than enough. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment, and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply. Hold. And exhale. Let it all go. Feel your body beginning to settle. Feel your shoulders drop just a little lower. Your jaw softens. Your hands relax. Let this be a space of rest. A space where you don't have to do anything, be anything, fix anything. You are allowed to simply exist. Now bring your attention gently to your heart. Feel the steady rhythm. The quiet strength. This heart of yours that gives so much, so selflessly, so constantly. Can you take a moment to simply say thank you to you? Whisper to yourself softly, I am doing enough. I am allowed to rest. I am worthy of care too. I am doing enough. I am allowed to rest. I am worthy of care too. I am doing enough. I am allowed to rest. I am worthy of care too. Let those words settle in. Let them wrap around you like a warm blanket. So much of your energy goes outward, to your family, to your work, to all those you love. But in this moment, dear mother, allow some of that love to come back to you. Let yourself breathe in gentleness. Breathe out the pressure. Breathe in stillness. Breathe out the guilt. Breathe in peace and breathe out anything that does not serve you. Feel yourself coming home to your center, to your quiet strength, to the deep wisdom that already lives inside you. You are doing beautifully, even when it doesn't feel that way. Even when things are messy or loud or chaotic, you are enough, right now, just as you are. Take a moment to gently smile to yourself. You are showing up, you are loving, you are human, and that is more than okay. It's beautiful. Let your breath be your anchor. Slow, steady, kind. Let your thoughts float like clouds in a wide blue sky. No need to chase them, just let them pass. And now, as we prepare to return to the day, Take one last deep breath in. Hold it. And exhale it all out slowly. Gently begin to wiggle your fingers, your toes, and when you feel ready, softly open your eyes. Carry this calm with you, even if it's just a whisper, even if it's just a moment. You dear, kind mother are a light in this world. And the more you tend to your own light, the brighter it shines for everyone around you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being you.